Dear friends, welcome to PAI's Gurukul Career Cosmos. This podcast is for the SSLC students who are dreaming, planning to score highest marks in upcoming board examination. Vijayavani Kannada Daily and Digvijaya 24 into 7 Kannada News Channel in association with Klass Studio is conducting a webinar series, Manthana free webinar. This webinar is to guide you through the effective way to study for your examination. Separate webinar is set for Kannada and English medium students. Why webinar? What is the outcome? Here is the answer for your query. Webinar helps you to understand systematic approach to examination, theme-wise details, points to focus for study will be taught. Also, chapter-wise quick revision, question-wise information, application type and many more concepts will be focused here. 4 Sundays of May 2021 is going to change your life. Webinar is scheduled on 4 Sundays of this month. Please note the date and time. 9th May, 16th May, 23rd and 30th May 2021. Yes, I'll repeat. 9th, 16th, 23rd and 30th May 2021. 4 Sundays from 9:45 a.m. onwards. Get ready. To access, attend the webinar, you need to follow 6 simple steps. First, download and install Klass Studio Learner app from Google Play Store. Yes, Klass Studio Learner app. Second, open the app and navigate to webinar users. Click here. Then just enter the details and submit. Then you can log in with the registered mobile number and the given OTP. Go to home screen and navigate to the webinar menu and tap the video screen and attend the webinar Manthana. To attend the webinar, let us understand about the prerequisites. Android mobile phone with proper stable internet connectivity and earphone, that's for the better audio quality. Kannada, English, Science, Maths, Social Science, these subjects will be focused here. Enroll yourself to get the best guidance from the team of experts. To know more details, please visit the website klassstudio.in. I'll repeat, klassstudio.in. This podcast is brought to you by PAI's Gurukul Career Cosmos. Dear SSLC students, all is well. Be good, do good, good day and take care. Once again, all the best.